we just got done with the appointment and we just got back home. Kinley's missing because Ted kept her because she's a lot to handle at places where we have to sit still. She is not very good at that, so he kept her, so he's going to work a little later. We have a busy day today, so we're home now, and later on we're going to go get our keys to the new apartment, and that's super exciting. We are so ready to move, and yeah, so that's it. Yay! Oh gosh, she scared me. Peekaboo. Since we're taking boxes with us, I have to totally clean out the van. I have the stroller back. Whoop! It's so slippery. I have the stroller back here, and I have, I don't know, a whole bunch of the kids' stuff and who knows what. So I'm going to clean that out while Ted's still here with the kids. This is why I almost fell. It is so slippery. This is all ice. I'm definitely going to hurt myself doing this. We still have a lot of snow. We ended up getting 20 inches a couple days ago, so it's melting. There's just so much left. All right. I'm all dressed. Ready for the day. What are we gonna do? What are we doing? Gonna make what?
Coffee.
Coffee!
Yeah!
Yay! Can you turn the water on for mommy?
Okay.
Can you turn this one on, the cold one? We need the cold one on here. I'll turn it on. And we gotta get the pot. Here. Do you want to put the water in the pot? Oh. It's okay. Just leave it open. There you go. Good job. Okay, we gotta skip the coffee. Oh, are you thirsty?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's coffee time. Probably one of the best parts of the day. Definitely coffee time. I honestly don't know how people don't drink coffee. It's like my lifeline during the day. And today I'm going to need more than 1 cup. Seriously, so good. Oh my goodness, I am so sweaty. I just loaded the van for as full as I could with all the boxes I could. So this is all I packed up. And these suitcases are full of books. They are so heavy. I don't know why I didn't wait for Ted. And then, like you can see, it's all the way to the car seats. It's so packed, but it'll feel so good to get a head start on it. What, sweetie? Hi. Did you have a good nap? We are gonna go bye-bye after brother wakes up. Look what mommy did. All this stuff here is donating. It's not just the collection of trash. It's all donations. It's not Christmas time, silly. It's very, very cute though. You make a cute little reindeer. It's for Christmas time, but it's not Christmas time right now. It is? No, Christmas is already gone.
Yeah.
No, I didn't miss it. I got it that time. You just scoop back. You are jumping really high. Good job. All right. So we only have about 3 more garbage bags in a box left to put in here to donate. So I feel really good to be able to get rid of all this stuff and check out these coffee cups. For all the people who think I have too many coffee cups, I am donating 1, 2, 3 Wegmans bags full of coffee cups. I'm going to end the vlog here. I'm off to the store to get a few things and to drop the bags off at Savers. And then I'm coming back and just cleaning and then going to bed. So that's all for today. We realized we forgot to show you guys the inside of the new apartment, which is more like a duplex, but we're gonna be there on Sunday, so we'll make sure we give a little pre-moving tour of the place and then you guys can see it when it's all done. All right.